Hi, good morning, my dear children. Children, are you happy or sad? Yes, I know you all are happy, isn't it? Have you gone out of your home? No. ഇപ്പോൾ എന്താ നമുക്ക് പോവാൻ കഴിയില്ല അല്ലേ? സോ കൊറോണ ആയതുകൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾ പുറത്തേക്ക് ഇറങ്ങാറില്ല. Okay. What are places do you see around your home? Can you tell me? And there are so many places around your home. Can you name a few places? They are hospital, park, bank, school, police station, right? Children, today we are going to learn about some places around your home. Okay, we will see one by one. Are you ready? Okay, very good. Dear children, see this? This is a school. This is a school. And who is she? Yes, she is a teacher. She is a teacher. So children, teacher works in a school. A teacher works in a school. Okay. I am also a teacher. I am working Amrita Preschool, Nedumangad. Amrita Preschool, Nedumangad, right? So children, this is a school, and who is she? She is a teacher, right? She is a teacher. Okay. A teacher works in a school, right? A teacher works in a school. Children, a teacher teaches us, right? A teacher teaches us, right? Children, whatever things a teacher teaches you, yes, to write, to read, and good manners, and good habits, right? Children, next one, restaurant. This is a restaurant. Children, have you seen in a restaurant? Yes, dears. What you get in a restaurant? Yes, we get yummy and tasty food, right? Children, a chef prepare variety food for you in a restaurant, right? This is chef. A chef works in a restaurant, right? A waiter works in a restaurant and he serves food for you, right? A chef and a waiter, both of them work in a restaurant. Fire station. What is it? Fire station. This is fire station. Okay. This is fire engine. Fire engine. Okay. Fire engine. Okay. Then, who is he? He is called fireman. What? Fireman. Okay. A fireman works in a fire station. A fireman works in a fire station, right? A fireman protects us from fire. Okay. This is post office. Children, this is post office. Okay. Post office. A postman work here. Postman work here. Okay. He deliver our letters to friends and family. Children, see this? Who is he? Can you tell me? Yes. Policeman. He is policeman. All of you say policeman. A policeman works in a police station. A policeman works in a a police station, right? Children, his work is stop crime and keep people safe. Okay. Children, what is this? This is a park. Okay, this is a park. Children, do you have a park near in your house? Children, see this? This is a park. This is a park. Okay, this is a park. Children, do you know who was in a park? Aara parkile സൂക്ഷിക്കണേ? Do you know? Yes, a gardener worked in a park. A gardener worked in a park. Okay. Children, a gardener plants trees and water of them and take care of them. Right? നമുക്ക് അസുഖം വന്നാൽ നമ്മൾ എവിടെയാ പോവുക? Can you tell me? Yes, you go to the hospital, right? നമ്മൾ എവിടെയാ പോവുക? Yes, go to hospital, right? Who works in a hospital? Can you tell me? Yes, doctor and nurse work in a hospital, right? What is a doctor do in a hospital? Can you tell me? Yes, a doctor treat sick people. A doctor treat sick people, right? And children, a nurse take care of sick people. Okay. A nurse take care of sick people. Okay. This is called ambulance. Okay. Ambulance. Ambulance carrying sick people into the hospital. Okay. Children, many people walk around our home, right? So they are called community helpers. The community helpers. Okay.
In a community, we stay together, help each other. In a community, we stay together, help each other. Let's take a walk through, look around and say, who are these people who help us every day? In a community, we stay together, help each other. There's an architect who makes a home perfect, and a carpenter who makes the furniture. There's a plumber to fit the water pipe, and electrician to fix the fan and light. In a community, we stay together, help each other. There's a tailor for our clothes to wear, and a barber to cut and trim our hair. There's a cobbler for the shoe repair, and a driver to take us everywhere. In a community, we stay together, help each other. There's a gardener who grows plants and trees, and a sweeper who cleans up the streets. There's a shopkeeper who keeps the things we need, and a baker who gives us yummy treats. In a community, In a community, we stay together, help each other. There's a teacher to teach all lessons, and a doctor to give us medicines. There's a fireman who puts the fire out, and policeman to keep a check throughout. In a community, we stay together, help each other.
Take your textbook number 3, okay? Then turn the page number 82, okay? Places around my home and people who work there, okay? First, school. Then restaurant, okay? Restaurant. Then fire station. Then police station, park, post office and hospital. Okay. And who is she? She is a teacher. Okay. Teacher. A teacher work in a school. A sweeper and security guard and helper. Okay. Then a chef and waiter both are work in a restaurant. Okay. Then this is fire engine, and who is he? Fireman. Okay, fireman work in a fire station. Okay. Then turn the next page. This is police. Okay, and this one police vehicle. Okay, a policeman work in a police station. Then a gardener work in a park. Okay. Then who is he? Postman, right? And this is male one. Okay, male one. Okay, a postman work in a post office, right? And this is ambulance. Who is he? Yes, doctor and nurse. Okay, doctor and nurse both are work in a hospital. Both are work in a hospital, right? This is an ambulance, right? Page number 84, okay? Practice. Look at the pictures. Match each person to his or her place of work by drawing a line. Okay? ഈ പ്ലേസിൽ ഏതാണോ പ്ലേസ് ഇവർ ജോലി ചെയ്യുന്ന വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്ന പ്ലേസ് ഏതാണെന്ന് ഐഡൻറ്റിഫൈ ചെയ്യുക, ദെൻ മാച്ച് ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ, ദിസ് ഈസ് യുവർ activity. Okay, so dear children, practice well. Okay, then see you in the next class. Bye bye. Take care.